Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a people picker in your Power Apps. So guys, when you create a form or when you display the data, you directly link to a data source, and if that has got a people picker, that directly appears on your app. But what if you want to create something from scratch, like a blank app? So this is what I'm going to show you. So here I created a blank app and I have a screen. Here I have added this combo box. If you go to text, in input, you have this combo box. Okay, so once you add the combo box, the very next thing is like data source. So data source is something you need to select. So what I have done, like okay, I think I should show you from scratch. All right, I'll just copy this formula so that I can explain it to you. All right, so let's go to input and add a combo box. Let's bring it over here for some clarity. Okay, as of now it is not linked to any data source. So what you can do, you can go to connectors for the first time. I'll try to be better. Oh, sorry about that. Connectors, and here if you scroll down, you're gonna find Office 365 users. So I've already added that. That's why under drop down you say this. So selectors. Okay, so once you select this appears. So this we are going to replace with this formula. I'll take this off. Yeah, so basically you are telling it to search user. Search term should be, well, like when you search a user in like Office 365 users is like data source, a set of your all users in your Office 365 environment. You are going to search user for it. So in order to search a user, you need to set a term. What is going to be the term? So the parameter is search term. So combo box 1 is like the name of here this is coming. I should make it to combo box 2. Like here, search for the text that you enter over here. Next is like you're gonna enter on fields, layout how you want. I want person layout. So primary text, like what you wanna get it returned. I want display name. And which field you wanna search? I want display name. Okay, now let's run it and see what happens. If I search for test, I have this account, it appears. Okay, now you see that this is allowing multiple searches. Why? That's because of the property. If you scroll down, allow multiple selection, we can turn it off. This is as simple as that. Alright, now let's do some more stuff. Edit. Like do you want to return something else, primary text or something, but you can do also sort of combination. But anyway, this is how it works, and now you can use it the way you really want in your site, in your app. Thanks for watching guys.